Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 10th, 2023. I'm out by the workshop. For the last few weeks, I've been working pretty diligently every day, just about every day. One day I missed, working out here, trying to get things out of the workshop area and all. So a lot of work. There's a ton more work to do, really a couple years worth of work to do to get the shop where I want it to be ultimately. But I did accomplish cleaning up enough spaces for me to be able to get some of the equipment in. So we'll start over here. Let's see if I can do this correctly now. So here we are. I got the Hulk in, and that was no easy task. We got a little bit of space on either side, so I can make my way around in here. Parked right up next to Suki here. Have the forks on the front of the Hulk so that I can get the IBC totes from the Sugar Shack and bring them up to the garage so we can bring the firewood inside. Here's Suki here, and we got Mini Me up here up front so I can go out the front if I need to use the small bucket on here to clean up any snow or whatever. Anything that have to do with that. So there again, got the Hulk back there, Suki here, Mini Me here. It all worked out pretty well. A small charging station here, the Dixie chopper, Wolf Ridge wood splitter. Got our BCS equipment for garden work. Got a bunch of the ladders, only a couple other ladders in different locations. I have some wood that I'm going to go ahead and cut up for kindling wood for the fire and all. The ultimate tool rack with too much stuff on it right now. Routers. Here is the Woodland Mills wood chipper and other charging equipment here. Optimus Maximus, the snowblower, most important thing for during the winter time. Hopefully it won't be too bad this year. Then got Buzz, our Kubota ZD1211 zero-turn diesel mower, which really works fantastic. I haven't used the Dixie chopper now in 2 years, and I'm trying to decide whether I'll sell it or not. Pepe, use that all the time, so important. Another charging station here, another backup battery system here. Got the scaffolding. Got most of the wheels up as well. Still a big mess. There's a lot more stuff to clean up in this area here. My welding equipment. And we just got, so this is the bucket in case I have to use the bucket for the Hulk. So I put it over here and got Elon in here. So just barely fits with all the rack systems I've got in here. And the height just fits underneath the overhead door as well. So really happy I got this in. Still, like I say, tons more of organizing. There's stuff I don't use anymore I'm going to get rid of and all. Carpentry stuff over in this area, mechanical stuff over here, charging station there. And the whole north workshop is just congested with a lot of the supplies I've got out of here. So hopefully during the winter months we'll be able to get some of those materials put away into the appropriate toolboxes. So in a year or so I might be able to do some more construction in here, finish up the walls. It's really tough when you're working out of the area that you want to modify. But today we finally accomplished getting the big equipment inside, protected for the winter months. Hopefully I don't have to do much more with Elon here, the excavator. I'd like to just have some time to clean it up a little bit. And but I know I will be using the Hulk to move the IBC totes of wood back and forth from the Sugar Shack. And I did pick up a pallet jack that we can move the IBC totes around inside of the Sugar Shack itself. So that's worked out so far. So this is just a progress report, an update on how things have been going here with the workshop. Really, all we did was make space and clean things up so far. A lot more to do, but it's taken weeks to do this. So for those of you who need some encouragement to get out there and clean up something or do a project that you've been putting off, consider this some encouragement to do that if at all possible. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. And by all means, folks, oh, the other thing is, I know that I had a request for showing the new one and done GE washer dryer single unit that we picked up and all. So we'll be doing that as well. Thea's using it like crazy now, catching up with laundry. So you folks take care, stay safe, and have a great week. Bye-bye now.